Hi everyone, this is Manikumar Reddy Gurram, Chartered Accountant. In this video, I am going to explain you about the double taxation, foreign tax rate, and how to claim foreign tax rate by filing Form 67. If a person is resident in India for a particular financial year, his global income is taxable in India. For example, if an Indian resident holds US stocks and earns $100 as dividend in US, he is liable to disclose his $100 of dividend in his Indian income tax return under other sources of income, and he needs to pay tax in India. That is, if you receive $100 of dividend in US, they already raise 25% of your dividend, that is $25 in US. Again, you need to declare those $100 Indian income tax return and you need to pay tax on this. To give relief on this double taxation, there is a relief provided. You get lower of the tax rates. That is, assuming that you are in 30% tax bracket in India, you have already paid 25% of tax in US. You will get lower of the tax rates of the double tax income in India. That is, in India, you are assuming you are in 30% tax bracket. You have already paid the 25% of tax rate in US. You will get the 25% tax rate and you need to pay the difference percentage of tax amount. That is 5% of tax rate in India. So how to claim this foreign tax credit? For claiming foreign tax credit, you need to file Form 67 before filing the income tax return to avail this 25% of tax concession which you have already paid in the US, and the difference between 25% and 30%, the 5% you need to pay in India while filing your income tax return. In previous example, in the US tax rate is 25% and Indian tax rate is 30%. So what if US tax rate is 40% and Indian tax rate is 30%? So in this case, as I have already told you, we will get the foreign tax rate lower of the tax rates in US and India. Okay. In US, you have, assuming you have already paid 40% tax in US, we will get foreign tax credit lower of the both of tax rates in US and India. That is, in US tax rate is 40% and India tax rate is 30%. So you will get 30% of FTC credit and there is no need to pay any tax in India.